All right, so here's your criteria. You need something that's small and easy to conceal, and you really don't care about the weight. But you want enough power to be able to take down any assailant that may come across your path. Well, let's take a look at the next tank in the series of Rugers, the SP-101. Wheelgun Wednesday! The SP-101 series is built to take the consistent punishment of the heavy 357 loads, and it justly is overbuilt. And believe me, that little bit of extra weight is welcome when you start putting those heavy 357s through it. Now, the 38 specials are even better. It makes it seem lighter, much more pleasant to shoot. It's something I can shoot all day in 38 special. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to tell in the videos or not, but we tested several different loads in 357. Some of these were a little bit hotter than the others, and you may see a little grimace on my face from time to time. Some of these 357 loads can be unpleasant to shoot. Now, for self-defense purposes, that's not going to be a big deal, because most likely if you have to shoot this gun in self-defense, you're not going to feel it anyway. As with most Ruger revolvers, the SP-101 is absolutely built like a tank. I have seen used guns brought in that maybe were grandpa's or an uncle's, and they were left in a truck, left in a trunk, left in a barn. People brought them in, they look like crap, they've been beat to hell and back, but they still shot great, even though they weren't really worth anything. That's one of the biggest advantages of the Ruger series of revolvers, is they're virtually indestructible. Now, downside, they never really gain any value. When you look at Smith & Wesson and you look at Colt, older guns typically gain quite a bit of value over the years if they're taken care of. That's not really the case with Ruger for the most part. Some of the specs for this particular model we shot today was a 2.25 inch barrel, a 1/16 right hand twist, 7.2 inches overall length, coming in a little bit heavy with 26 ounces, but again, like I said, you'll enjoy that little bit of extra weight shooting the heavier loads, and has a suggested retail of $719. Now obviously we sell it for considerably less here in the shop, and most reputable shops that you go to will sell it for less also. So if you want a small revolver you can throw in the truck and not get it out until you need it, the SP-101 is for you. Thanks for watching another episode of Wheelgun Wednesdays. Smash that little bell back down there, tell your friends, send me some ideas, and I'll see you next Wednesday. You are not going to be part of the Wolverines, okay? It's so hard to find good help. Are you ready?
Yep.
Bang, bang. Can we just be done? I mean, you've just kind of ruined the entire mood for me. I don't even want to be here anymore. It's not funny. I don't know why you're laughing. It's not funny. Let's just get this done so I can go home, okay? The power from it.
Yeah.
Oh, I still have the one bar.
Good.
It's so good.
We're gonna get through this.
I feel this. We're going to get through. We've gone through 2 of them. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. You're pretty. Oh, you're okay. It's good, Basil. So, do we want to do Sandman again? Do we feel like you want to? Do you feel like you want to do the Sandman with me? Oh, you don't want to do the Sandman with me? Okay. Well, we won't do the Sandman this time. As long as you are feeling good about you in here. In here. No, you not even know where I'm looking. You not even know where I'm looking at me. I'm not saying in here, I'm saying here. Not in your mind, in your heart. As long as you feel good. We won't have to do the Sandman again. Okay, let's get back to doing it.
So when you don't know what to do with the word on the accent, you just go like maybe you're looking.
Yes, you go ahead and make your fun. I feel good in the heart. Let's get back to the videos, okay? We're gonna do the videos now. And it makes the 38 specials even that much more nicer to shoot. Makes them that much more nicer.
Even that much more nicer.
Makes them even that much more nicer.
I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the circle.
Okay.
From 50 yards away.
Kids, don't try this. Don't try this at home, kids. This is unsafe.
I'm going to shoot.
Now, here's what's going to happen. Pay attention. Pay attention. This here is tactical. You've run out of ammo. Okay? Picture this. You've run out of ammo. I'm going to do a tactical reload, but I'm going to have to come up from behind you because the target's in front of you. You understand what I'm saying?
Ready to go.
You understand what I'm saying? You did not listen to me. You discharged prematurely.
All right.
Put another round of ammunition into your firearm.
Hold on, I got this. Watch this. Dude, we could totally do a tactical video on revolvers.
I was going to shove it up your...
Don't shove it up my ass. My ass really hurts.
I was going to shove it up your
All right,
ass, and then it magically goes into the gun.
Watch. Done.
What?
Tactical reload.
Take a reload! Go, go, go! Drive! Tactical reload! There's more bad guys! Go! Keep going! Keep going, Megan! Tactical double reload! Why isn't it working? It
I
just
break
built
shit.
like tank.
Broken tank.
Built like Cold War era. Woo! Woo!
Done. Tactical reload.
Go, go, go!
We won the war on that one, didn't we, Sonny Jim? That's why you don't mess with no tactical boys like us.
This is Wheelgun Wednesday. Go.
Chapstick, then go in there. Maintain movement at all times. When you're reloading, maintain movement at all times. Then they can't hit you. Okay. Maintain your movement while you reload again. Maintain your movement. Keep your eyes on your target. Eyes on your target at all times. Well, and now I'm just out of ammo. So what are these good for? Thanks for another version day of Tactical Tuesday.